Hello student, today we are going to discuss let's practice 2.2 in mathematics. 2.1 yesterday we discuss. See, the first question is subtract the following 5 digit number. Here the question you have to see from your book, and already it is written here in the solution also. So it is the first one, point number A. Student, this question already we have discussed in April month, but still we are revising. If you have any confusion or the other student, you can write in your classwork copy these questions from the video. Just pause the video and write it. So it is, first one is 50,832 minus 40,711. So we have to subtract it. Simple subtraction is there. 2 minus 1 it is 1, 3 minus 1 it is 2, 8 minus 7 it is 1, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 4 it is 1. So it is, student, simple subtraction is there, point A, B, and it is point number C. Now I am going to explain the showing the point number D and E. See student, here as we have discussed in 2.1, there are also boxes we made for writing the carry. Now here we are taking the borrow, so that's why we are making the boxes. Look here, first it is first number is 28,763, second one is 14,829. So student, 3 minus 9, so it is not possible to subtract 9 from 3, so that's why we are taking one borrow from this 6. So if we are taking one borrow, so this 6 will become a 5 and this 3 will become a 13. So now student, 13 minus 9 it is 4, this 5 minus 2 it is 3, and this here also 7 minus 8 not possible to subtract, so we are taking one borrow from this 8, so this 8 will become a 7, this 7 become a 17. So that's why this 17 minus 8 it is 9, this 7 minus 4 it is 3, and this 2 minus 1 it is 1. So finally its answer is 13,934. Students, see the next point number F. It is something different. Point number F, here we are making, okay, double boxes are there, okay, 2 rows are there. See, 3 minus 5 not possible, so that's why we are taking one borrow from this 2. So this 2 become 1 and this 3 become 13. So this 13 minus 5 it is 8. Again see student, this 1 minus 6 not possible, so for this 1 now we are taking one borrow from this 8. So this 1 become 11 and this 8 become a 7. So now 11 minus 6 it is 5, this 7 minus 7 0, 9 minus 2 it is 7, and this 5 minus 1 it is 4. So students, now I think so understand, it is easy, already you discussed, we are revising, and the new students you can write from this video, pause the video. It is point number G, point number G and H. If you are not written, then you can write. Students, see this question is something different, point number H. Okay, see here 10 I have written in a red. Why? See student, this 3 minus 9 not possible, so that's why we are taking one borrow from this 4, so it will become a 3 and this 3 become 13. So 13 minus this 13 minus 9 it is 4, this 3 minus 8 not possible, so we'll take one borrow from this 5, so this 5 become 4 and this 3 become 13. So 13 minus 8 it is 5, and this 4 minus 7 not possible. So see student, we are taking the borrow from this 0, okay, that's why here I just put it as a red. So we are taking the borrow from this 0, okay, so for what, for this 4, so this 4 become 14 and this 14 minus 5 14 minus 7 it is 7. Student, here see 0 minus 1 not possible, so we'll take 1 borrow from this 6. For what? For this 0, but this 0 already given 1 number to 4. So when this 0 become a 10, but in place of 10 we will write 9. Why 9? Because already 1 number is given to 4. So that's why now this 9 minus 1 it is 8. And here what is given? 5. So 5 minus 3 it is 2. So this question also something different. Okay, I think so understand. Now this is the point H and I, students. Now question is changed. Question number second. Here 6 digit number we have to subtract. See, it is also same like a 2.1. There are also 5 digits, 6 digits, 7 digit, 8 digit and 9 digit number. We have the 8, but here we are subtracting. Okay, so here also if any confusion then you ask me. Okay, this is the 6 digit number you have to subtract. This is the point A, B and C. This is the point D and E. Point number F. Student, this question you have to write in your classwork copy. This is the point G and H. You just solve yourself in your rough copy. If you are unable to solve, then you message me, so I will explain it again. If any confusion, this is point number I. In every question 9 points are there. Question number 3. Here we are subtracting 7 digit number. Point number A and B. Already I explained this question. This is the point C and D. Then D and E, students. This point E and F. Now the point number G and H. Point number I. If you want to write in your classwork copy, so you just pause the video and write. Now next question. Question number 4. Question you have to see from your book. It is given in your book. These are the 8 digit number. So you have to subtract this 8 digit number. Point number A, B and C. Point number D and E. Now point number F. You understood why I write this 10 by red mark? Because already this 0 has given the 1 borrow. Okay, so that's why I put it as a red mark. Point number G and H. Point number I, it is. Now question number 5th, student. These are the 9 digit number. You have to subtract this 9 digit number. So this is point A, B and C. You practice in your rough copy. Okay, first write the question from your book and you have to practice it and check it from the solution. If any confusion, then you message me. This is point D and E. And this is point number F. This is point G and H. Student, these two lines are no need to write. If you don't want to write in your class or copy, then there is no problem, but it is easy to understand the solution. Now this is point number H and I. Now see this is the question number 6. Solve the following sums. So here what is the difference between this question and we have discussed the 5 question. Here the number of digits may be different. There the number of in the both the term number of digits were same. See here in the first term how many digits are there? 8 digits are there, 8 not. In the first term 9 digits, and in the second one how many are there? These are the 7 digits. Okay, so these first term 8 digits are there, in the second one 7. So here the number of digits are different, so don't worry. First you have to write the first term. This is the first one. What is the first number? It is 2,83,54,675. It is the first one. And what is the second one? It is second one, 42,53,342. So student, first you have to write the first number, and second one you just start writing from the ones place. Okay, 2 4 3 3 5 2 4. Okay, so start from the ones place. So these also same you have to subtract as the earlier we have done. This is point A and B, point number C and D, point number C it is D, this is point E and F, point number G it is, point number H, this point number I, J, point number K, L. Now see, this is the question that it is remaining. Student, subtract. Here what is given? Here the word problem is given. So first we have to change this word problem into numeric form, then we have to subtract. Okay, so this is the question number 7. See, 5 crore 99 lakh 28,000 from okay, what is given? We have to subtract. In the question it is given, we have to subtract it. So we have to subtract from 10 crore 88,940. So student, in 2.1, in place of this from n word is there, so in place of n plus we are putting in 2.1, but here from is there. So whenever the from is there, so first upside you have to write the second number in the subtraction. Okay, which number you have to write? The second. And then after putting the minus sign, you have to write the first number. See here, first we are changing this word problem. So here same as it is, we can write 5 crore. It is 5 crore 99 lakh 28,000. So here you can write first, no problem, 10 crore. It is 10 crore 88,940. But when we are going to subtract it, student, first we have to write the second one. Okay, from. Okay, from, it means from this number you have to subtract. So first we are writing which one? This one. So 10 crore 88,940 first you have to write, and after that which number you have to write? First one. Okay, starting from the ones place. So 0008299.5, and after subtraction this is the answer. Subtraction, you know student, if you have any confusion then message me. See, it is the point B. 16,14,839 from 2 crore 500. So same as it is number you will write. Okay, with the help of these boxes if you are writing, so the chances of mistake it will be less. It is these two boxes for crore, these two for lakhs, and these two for thousand, and it is 1, 10 and 100. So 16 lakh in the 16 in the lakh boxes we write 14,839, and say in the same manner 2 crore 500. So student, first we have to write the second number, okay, 2 crore 500, and then starting from the ones place we write the first number, and then you have to subtract it. This is the point number B, students. Now the point number C. This point C, 89 crore 44,539 from 91 crore 2 lakh 18,419. So same as it is, we have to write 89 crore 44,539, 91 crore 2 lakh 18,419. So when we are subtracting it, first we will write this number and then we will write this number, and we have to subtract it. Subtraction you know, so there is no problem. This is the point number D. Same, follow the same procedure. This from will, okay, subtract the question. This is the point number E. Okay student, now it is over. Okay, this is the point number A. So student, you just watch this video and solve this question yourself in your rough copy. If you have any confusion, then you message me. Okay student, thank you very much.